Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to deactivate Instagram account. First, make sure that you are connected to the internet. And this feature of deactivating an Instagram account is only available at the web browser, not on the Instagram application. To do that, just tap your web browser application and then type in the URL address instagram.com. Then choose the login option here. Then there are two options that you need to choose. If your account is linked to your Facebook account, then you can continue with Facebook, or you can type here your username, email, as well as the phone number and your password. This time we will enter our email. This will be our email and then our password. After that, tap login. Then tap the profile icon located at the bottom and choose edit profile. Scroll down and as you can see here, there is an option temporarily deactivate my account. Just tap this, then scroll down. There is a question here why you are deactivating your account. Just select an option or reason why you want to deactivate your account. I'll try this, and then to continue you need to re-enter your password. Just enter your password here, then after that temporarily deactivate your account. Okay, that's it guys on how to deactivate your Instagram account. If you want to reactivate, then just log into your account and just do the process in reactivating your account. Okay, thank you for watching and keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you.